Well, good morning, fellow travelers. We're headed up to Mesik. This is Michigan 115, Mesik, Michigan, to see my brother Keith. We left Jeremy's birthday party the other day and stopped and visited Charmaine's brother David. He took us on a tour of Detroit along with Dennis and Sheila. Showed us some of the old, some of our old houses and hangouts, as well as Jefferson Avenue and Eastern Market. David's place is in Grosse Pointe Park. We had a great time there, and now we're on our way to see my brother. So should be a great time up here. So stay tuned. Well, we traveled up from David's place in Grosse Pointe to Keith's deer camp up just north of Mesik, Michigan. Spending a few days here before we head up to Dennis and Sheila's place in Traverse City. Kind of a rainy, overcast day, but peaceful. Very nice. The facility. Good morning, everyone. We left Keith's place this morning, headed up to Traverse City to see Dennis and Sheila. Charmaine's already up here. She traveled up with them the other day.
Turn right on Hartman Road.
So we'll see what this is all about. Nice sunny day, beautiful day outside, 68 degrees. Here's Dennis and Sheila. There's Dennis. This is their new house. Looks nice. Yeah, Dennis and Sheila took us up here to see Traverse Bay. Here's a Bonobo Winery. Let's see if they're open. It's 10:30. So it's Traverse Bay on the other side, Dennis, and this is what?
They're both Traverse Bay.
Both of them are Traverse Bay.
West Bay, and then behind
West Bay.
East.
East Bay. And this is fairly new. Huh? That's closed.
Yes.
11? We got a half an hour, huh? Okay, the next one. Okay, Sheila, so this is the East Bay.
That's East Bay, this is West Bay. You're on Center Road, which is the center road of the peninsula. And so we're gonna go, and these are many wineries, and you're gonna go all the way up to Old Mission Point, which is, in fact, there's a lighthouse up there, and then that's the end of the peninsula between the two bays. And then we'll be able to go down Peninsula Drive, which is on the West Bay, all the way down the shoreline. And then over on the east side, there's like Old Shady Road and different things like that. It's kind of cliffs and people live there, but it's not a straight road that you can take, you know, all the way up.
Okay. So, and this is the Chateau Grand Traverse.
Yep.
Grand Traverse.
Yep, and there either used to be cherry trees or apple trees in these orchards previously, but they've switched to wine and hops is what you're going to see up this whole peninsula.
Oh yeah, they're doing hops
Big
up there.
Hops now.
Some breweries.
Yep, breweries.
Chateau Grand Traverse, Old Mission. Proud member of WOMP. Yes.
Better be
Wineries of Old Mission Peninsula.
So we're not fooling around.
Hey Larry, here's a map.
Okay, explain this to us.
Okay, so we right now are going right up Center Road to, you know, there's a center, obviously it doesn't show it, so we're going up here right now. And here is cherry trees they talk about. Here's the old mission, we're gonna go there, which is the Indian Church, Old Mission Peninsula. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna come back around here and travel this road all the way back. But we're going up.
Oh, the shoreline, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go all the way up and see that, and then work our way back. Okay?
Pretty shit.
Yeah. So,
That's a nice map.
East
right
Bay.
at the foot of, yeah.
I like, look at the, it's sun up there.
And so then you know how we've often gone to Northport, right?
Uh-huh.
So then you're going up here through all Leland, Omina, Northport, right? This is where everybody gets the Petoskey stones, right here. So,
All right.
And there again, up here you get up to there, you either have your boat or you
This house runs on love, laughter, and lots of wine. So we can show.
So typically when we pick them earlier in the season, you get more of those.
So this is the Riesling.
It's a little sweeter.
So with our
Pinot
barrel
Grigio was good though,
fermented-
and that's the 2017 Pinot Grigio, $11 a bottle.
Not bad.
Yeah.
So
I think I like that Pinot better.
I do too. This is not bad, but
No, it's not. I like Pinot better. And I'm a Chardonnay person.
Sheila, do you want a sip of this Chardonnay?
Here.
That's pretty good. We came from California earlier this year, and they did a bunch of vineyards out there and such.
we just entered a bunch of ours in a California contest.
Did you?
And everything we entered won something. So, but you're not going to find those Cabernet Sauvignons around here. They just can't
Yeah.
handle the climate. It is a bit lighter than a typical Pinot Noir. You still get those great berry flavors, but it doesn't ferment in the skins for very long. So it's a little lighter in color.
Yeah. No, one of those, two of the Chardonnays.
I like that better.
Oh yeah, that would go nice with a. No. Okay, all right, little bit, just a little bit. That would go nice with a steak. And
Yeah, this is Chateau Chantal. I remember you camping at that one on your. That's when you were touring Northern California.
oh, Six Sigma.
Yes.
Yeah, in Santa Rosa. Or was Santa Rosa?
Yeah.
No.
No, it was near Napa Valley. It
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
real far from Napa Valley. Vines here.
And this,
Lower Lake. It was up in Lower Lake. That's where it was.
oh, look how far this goes then. I didn't even realize.
Look at
Wow.
all these.
This has been established for quite a while, Del.
I guess. Look at it.
Isn't this pretty?
Oh, this is just like what you think of a winery too, with rolling hills.
Chateau Chantal. 11 a.m. just in time. That's East Bay.
Right at the tip of the peninsula, just about.
And this is the Old Mission General Store.
In Old Mission.
These all great wines here too.
It's this way.
How you doing there, guys? All right. Good, welcome.
Hi.
Gentlemen, how are you?
Good.
Fantastic, welcome.
The old Mission Church. This building is a replica of the original Mission Church, which was erected in 1839 by the Reverend Peter Doherty, a Presbyterian missionary who came here from Mackinac to establish the first mission in this part of the country. Originally the building stood on the bay shore, but later was moved to this site where it remained for many years. The bell, which is now in the belfry, is the original bell of the old church. '45th parallel, so halfway to the North Pole, right at the top.
So we're up. Oh, there's the tree, all the different things to see.
We're number 5. So
this really is speaks to something here for all of us white people meetings and so
$0.50 an ear. Yeah. But it's the sweetest corn ever. Self-serve. Yeah, a couple peaches and you gotta take a okay. Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Where was I at the other day? Oh, we were up in at the Mushroom Bar, and the guy said if you take, whack this off, whack the top off, and cut it, put water down in it, soak it so water gets down in it, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you got a great ear of corn. So we need to try it on one. Yeah, we need to try. Tomatoes, $5 a quart. They look good. Blueberries. Cherries. Self-serve, eh?
See, that's the way it should be.
Absolutely.
Well, I'm talking at 3 cents more because one is located.
So they're all headed to the antique car rally. Oh, not these guys.
The hills there.
See, that's I like that. Yeah.